Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Right now, we're getting a little bit of work done on the FD car, just switching over some of the panels that we broke last year and getting everything cut up and fitted so we can then take it to the paint shop and get stuff ready. We're also pretty busy with Daikie's car and fabbing a bunch of stuff up. But this video is gonna be a little bit different. I wanted to kind of have a little bit of conversation with you guys, mainly because I need your help. And I feel like this is a perfect opportunity for you guys and this platform to come through because I don't know what to do right now. This has never happened before and I really honestly need your help. And I'm hoping that someone who watches the channel, one of you guys is connected to someone or some amazing company marketing department who will be able to help us out. But long story short, the war in Iran has affected us and our business to a point where I don't know if we can drive the full season of Formula Drift this year here in Japan. It's a wild thing for me to even say that. Never did I even think that a war in Iran would affect us like this, but it has. Let me explain a little bit more in detail for you. The reason why is because that the companies that we work with, their business has been affected. And what that then means is then they have crisis board meetings. The board decides to pull all money out of everything, let go of employees, and completely just take away the marketing budget. Some of you guys noticed in the previous video, but there's no longer a sticker on the side of my car, and that's because we lost our title sponsorship for that reason. And then also the same thing with another big contract that we had for FD Japan as well. So we're in a situation now where I don't have any financial backing whatsoever to drive in Formula Drift Japan this year, which is a huge hit to us. That, you know, goes into all of the logistics of being able to drive to all the events, all the employees, all the people that come and help, all of the hotel fees, all of the meals, all that type of stuff, all of the spare parts, all the consumables, all that type of stuff, right? It's not cheap and it all adds up. Now, that being said, I'm gonna be trying our absolute best to do it ourselves. We are, what, 2 weeks away from round one right now?
2 weeks.
Oh, and we only just found this out last week, by the way, while I was up at Aomori rebuilding my rear end. Now, this is part of the business. This is part of driving in any kind of race series. This is part of dealing with sponsorships and all that kind of stuff. Things change, markets change, things go up and down. Sponsors pull out. Sponsors sometimes make promises verbally and all that kind of stuff, and then when it comes time to put your money where your mouth is, they all of a sudden ghost you. This is just like part of the business and part of what we do, but it absolutely sucks. So, this is me asking you guys, if you work for a company and you work in the marketing department, or you are close with the marketing department, you can talk to them, or if you have any friends that work in any companies in the automotive industry, as well as not just an automotive industry, but anyone that you think might be interested in jumping on board and becoming a title sponsor for this year for Formula Drift Japan for the Team SAMMIT Racing Department, then please reach out to us. There's a contact form on our website. You can also just email business@sammit.net. But we don't know what's gonna happen.
It's a weird time.
It's a very weird time. Like literally, it just seems so bizarre to even think that what's happening in Iran affected us like this. Like completely just gone.
Yeah.
But
It's life.
we're gonna figure it out.
Yeah, we're gonna figure it out.
But I really wanted to make this video because I know a lot of you guys care. And all of your support and everything that you guys do, buying our merch on our website and all that type of stuff, does help a lot. Especially this year, if we can't find a title sponsor and we just end up putting Team SAMMIT on the side, then that's what's gonna happen. And your merch purchases are gonna help more than ever. Also, we do have the private sponsorship stuff if you guys wanna put your name on the FD car on sammit.net as well. But yeah, this is me asking if any of you guys that watch the channel are connected to anyone that you think might be interested, then hit us up, please. That aside though, we're gonna keep working on this thing and hope we can make round one. I think we will.
Talk about Daikie's car.
No, that's another whole video. We're doing a whole build on that. For now, this is gonna be a short.
Instruction paperwork on top of the engine.
I think
How to
that's
build
for,
the engine?
No, that's how to mount the relocation kit for the alternator. But anyways, there'll be a full video coming out of us working on Daiki's car. That'll probably be the next upload. But for today, I wanted to do a little bit of a short and sweet one. We haven't obviously worked this hard to give up yet. And I'm gonna be busting my balls to try and do as much as we can to make it work, even if we have to do it ourselves. So you guys know that, but I'm also just asking if any of you guys can help. That one, yeah, cool, me.
You know what you need? You need a Cairo sponsor.
Yeah, I think I cracked a rib. I don't want to talk
He's
about it.
saying that he cracked a rib by holding Yugo up in the arms this morning. And I'm like,
No. It was like a weird, don't worry. All right, we're getting off topic. But guys, thank you.
love you guys.
We'll leave it here. You guys know we're not going to give up, but yeah, that's that. We just wanted to be honest with you guys and let you know what's happening and why things are also so crazy behind the scenes right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But.
I guess I'll sell the Supra if I have to. If I really want to drive this
Because
thing.
it's sponsored, yeah.
But that would super duper suck because my dad hasn't seen it yet and it's sentimental. But if I have to do that, I have to do that. Gotta live the dream. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Leave us a comment if Iran's affected you in some way. Bye. Peace. Ciao, mata.